say one. One.
Hey everybody, this is my workout video because I'm fat and I'm going to lose pounds. Man, I lost it.
You know who that character is?
Isaac's still friends with me.
Turn around.
What? Turn around? My butt's falling out, everybody. That's what happens when you eat too much fried food. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Hey dude, you still touch it.
What? My boobs are popping out of my shirt? Is that what you're talking about? I paid for these, baby. Jump around. I'm having technical difficulties. Wait a moment so I can place my breast back in my shirt.
Are you having body image issues?
I lost weight. My role model is Jack Black for everybody watching. Thank you for watching this video.